Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have to do exercise number 2F of class 4 countdown. Question number 5 and 6 today we have to solve, and we have to check how we have to find the LCM by prime factorization method of 2 and 3 numbers. So first we are finding the LCM by prime factorization method of two numbers. So 18 and 24 are our numbers, and I have made a rougher column first. After that, prime factors of 18. We have to find the prime factors of 18 first. So we have to make a division block, and we have to make the factors. From the smallest table we will start. 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. And we have to write the prime factors here. So the prime factors are 2, 3 and 3. So we have to write 2, 3 and 3. After that, we have to find the prime factors of 24. Again, we have to make a division block of 24. Starting from the smallest table. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12. Again 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1s are 3. So now we have to write the numbers here. The prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. So we have to write 2 2 2 and 3. Right? Now common factors. The numbers which are present in both, like this 2 is present in both and this 3 is present in both. We have to write this in common factors. 2 and 3. We have to write it one time and multiply this. 2 3s are 6. Rest of the numbers which left are 2, 2 and 3. The numbers which left are 2, 2 and 3, which are not common. So that will be uncommon. So we have to write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Now what is our LCM? The formula for finding the LCM is common factors multiplied by uncommon factors. So we got 6 for common factors and 12 for uncommon factors. Now we will multiply these two numbers. 6 multiplied by 12, and now we will multiply this. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6 and 1 7, 72. So 72 is our LCM. Now for three numbers there is a little bit difference. Now first we have to find the prime factors of 8, then prime factors of 16, and then prime factor of 24. So in the rougher column we have to find for 8 first. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 4. The prime factors are 2, 2 and 2. Then for 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. 4 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the prime factors of 16. Now prime factors for 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now we have to write it here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So now the common factors are, all these are common, so we have to write it one time. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then what left here? 2 and 3, which are not common, so we have to write this in uncommon factors. 2 multiplied by 3, multiply this. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, and 2 3s are 6. Now LCM is multiplication of common factors multiplied by uncommon factors. So we have to multiply this. 8 6 are. So we have to find the LCM of this. So 8 6 are 48. This is the LCM of 8, 16 and 24.